What's up, guys? I welcome you to my channel, Excel Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub. This channel content has to do with CorelDRAW, Illustrator, and Photoshop. If you want to learn graphics design, all you have to do is to subscribe to this channel. Free tutorial from Monday to Friday in CorelDRAW, Adobe Illustrator, and Adobe Photoshop. Whenever you visit my channel, all you have to do is to make sure you click on the video. When you click on video, you'll be able to see the present and past tutorial in CorelDRAW, Adobe Photoshop, and Adobe Illustrator, both beginner and advanced tutorial. So when you click on the video, remember to scroll down to see my past and present tutorial in CorelDRAW, Adobe Photoshop, and Adobe Illustrator. So if you want to learn graphics from the beginning to advanced, this channel is the best for you. So let's get today's tutorial started. Welcome back, guys. Today's video I'm going to teach you guys how you can make a 300 by 600 creative web banner for copy, right? So let's get started by making a new page and go to File. Then you click on New. So here we go, guys. The name of the design, Creative Copy Web Banner. The width is 300, the height is 600, then the resolution should always be 300, then the color from this point here needs to be RGB. So once you are done with all this, come down below here and click on Create. Okay, guys, after make a new page document, you can press Ctrl+0 to zoom to the entire compass size of the page. So the next thing we're going to do is to go to my file. Now click on Place. And I will look for my picture.
Yes, click on Yes. Okay, the carry size.
Okay, I will click on this check mark here to insert.
Now press Ctrl A on my keyboard to select everything. Then from my menu bar here, I'll make sure I click on this align button. Now press Ctrl D to deselect. Then I'll come down below here and make a new layer. After making a new layer, then I'll go to my toolbar. I'll select my custom shape. Then I will select my custom shape. I will make a shape all over the top photo.
I can right click on this costume shape. I'll go to blending option. So I will double click on the stroke to open the stroke document property. Turn down the size. And I'll change the color from gradient to normal color. And I'll double click on this place here. Fill it with red. Click on OK. I need to reduce the size. Then I'll click on OK. I think I'm satisfied with this result here. Then I'll make a new layer again. Go back to my shape tool and right click on the costume shape. I'll select rectangle. Now make another rectangle at the top. Drag it down for the costume shape. Now double click the rectangle shape color thumbnail. I'll have to change the color code of this from white to my desired color. So move to the side 17 0 0 B 0 then 2. That's the color code for this. Then I'll click on OK. I have to come down below here of the costume shape. I'll double click on it as well. Then I'll make use of my color picker. Choose this color here. Now click on OK. Now click on the rectangle layer. I'll come down below here and make a new layer. Now right click on my shape tools. I'll go back to my custom shape. In this case now I will select from this point and look for my new custom shape. Okay, I think I'm going to make use of this here. I have a lot of custom shape on my Photoshop. I'm trying to figure out which one I actually use for this design. Okay. I'll draw. And I'll double click the layer thumbnail to change the color. I have to type the color code. I'll hit on OK. I'll take this to the top. Okay. I'll come down below here and make a new layer again. And I'll go back to my custom shape. I'll go to splatter. I'll select this. Now double click the layer thumbnail again to change the color. So from this point here, I'm going to type the color code. Okay. Take this to the top. This. Then I can make a duplicate. Take it down. Okay. Now take it down here. Now right click and choose create a mask. Click and release the mask. Okay, good with that. So one other thing I'm going to do is to make a new layer again. And I'll go back to my custom shape and right click on it. I'll select my circle now. And I'll make a perfect circle. Okay. I'll double click the layer thumbnail again. And I'll change the color. Okay. Now I press Ctrl J to make a duplicate and Ctrl T to open the transform tools. Shift key and alternative, and I'll drag it out. Then I'll go to View and look for the shape property. I'll go back to my circle. Now I'll click on this point here and remove the fill. Then I'll click on this. I'll add stroke color to the white. Then I can reduce the width. Then I can change the style. Let's do something like this. Okay, this is pretty cool. Then I press Ctrl T to transform. Now the size. Press enter on my keyboard. Then I'll click on this layer. I'll go back to my shape tools, right click on it, select rectangle. I'll make another rectangle down below here. Then I'll double click the layer thumbnail. We'll change this to red. Now click on OK. Then I'll make a duplicate. Press Ctrl T to open the transform tools. Enter on my keyboard. Then I'll double click the layer thumbnail again. Change to this color here. Now it's on OK.